Hi guys. So, what is Burp Suite? Burp Suite is a proxy tool which is used to intercept requests between client and server. It is widely used for web app pen testing. It is most used by all bug bounty hunter, web app pen testing, Android app pen testing, iOS app pen testing, thick client and APIs also. It's a proxy tool, but it's not just limited to interception. It has more than that. You can edit your request, you can modify request in a way you want with help of other subtools. Let me show you. Like this is a browser of user or client, and this is a Burp Suite. So, and this is a website. So what you are trying to do is you are sending a request from your browser to a website, and there is an interception proxy going on with help of Burp Suite. So what Burp Suite will do is when a request will go through your browser to website, it will intercept it in between, and you can edit your request in a way you want it. Okay, that's the main purpose of Burp Suite. And Burp Suite is not just a tool, it's a set of tools like dashboard, target, proxy, repeater, intruder, sequencer, comparer, and there are a lot of many other functions that can be also you can call them tools, but there are lots of functions. Okay, let me show you Burp Suite itself. Okay, this is a dashboard of Burp Suite. Then we can move on target, proxy, intruder, repeater, sequencer, decoder, comparer, extender, project options, and user options. So this is just a view of these tabs, but in the next videos we will explain these one by one what you can do with these tabs. Okay, this is an overlook of Burp Suite. There are a lot of functions we will discover in next videos. There are some type of Burp Suite like community version, professional version, and enterprise version. Like community version is a free version, professional version is more likely a pro version of software which is paid, and you can buy it in $399 per year. And there's also a enterprise edition of this software. This is mostly used by companies because different from professional and community version, because both of community and professional versions are manual software testing programs, but enterprise edition is a automatic scanner. So companies use it as a automated scanner, so you can't use it, but still if you are in the enterprise you can use it. So we not gonna use it because if you are a bug bounty hunter or pen tester, you are not allowed to use automated scanners. So that's why we are not going to use enterprise edition, but still we will have a look on enterprise edition as well. Okay, so in the next videos we will learn about what is difference between community, professional, and enterprise, and which is best for you, and the practical way of Burp Suite.